What's wrong, Emma? You want to go see Brayden?
Yeah.
Brayden's at school. We can't see him yet. We'll see him pretty soon. Okay? You want to come this way? Brayden? But Brayden's at school, babes. Come give Mom a hug. Do you want to go get Brayden?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go get Brayden in 5 minutes, okay? Okay. Brayden? Do you miss your brother? Where's Brayden? Is he at school?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll go get him pretty soon, okay? Come cuddle Mommy.